what's up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. We are here in JMSI kasi andito tayo para puntahin si Simple Racing Solutions. Andito si Project Yaris and ayun, sakto katabi ko yung sobrang napaka-poging SRS. Boom! The face of SRS, di ba? So ano ba yung gagawin natin today? Let me show you guys. Yan. So, this is the String Theory Garage na springs made by iBack pero partnership sila. Co-developed with JCR Developments. Yan. Oh, so white yung springs. And then maganda dito guys is adjustable siya kasi may spring perch siya kasama.
Okay naman. Well, I mean, we'll see once makabit.
Oh, tama.
Tingnan natin kung ma-achieve natin yung targets natin for the car.
My dad is also here by the way. Yon. Okay, so yung iba pang kakabit natin, nagdala ako ng pair ng eccentric bolt.
I hate eccentric bolts for the record. I want that to go on the vlog. Pero I'll make an exception for you.
Thank you, thank you. Pero hopefully one pair is enough na to get more camber, no?
Yeah. For daily use naman yung car mo so we're not really
street use
aiming for a lot of negative camber.
Honestly, gusto ko papogi lang na functional. Siguro hindi na natin bubuksan to. Makita naman pag nakakabit na to eh.
Yeah.
These are the two Cusco arms para sa likod. Ito, iniisip ko kung kakabit natin. Ito yung stiff ring ng spoon eh. Ayoko nga ikabit kasi hindi natin alam ano yung torque specification ng rear na subframe. Yeah, walang may alam. So baka wag na lang to.
Okay.
Oh, this is yours by the way.
Oh wow, thank you.
Advan Cup. Sponsored?
Oh, hindi, ano pa?
Joke lang, di sponsor yan guys. Bigay ko talaga kay Bigay ko talaga kay DJ yan. Matagal nang nakatambak sa akin.
Meron na si Tots?
Ha? Wala pa nga eh, wala pa.
Dapat siya.
Dapat bigyan ko rin si Tots eh, no?
May AO52 ako. Westlake na ako.
Shout out by the way to Yokohama, Philippines. Ayan. Urong lang ni DJ kasi may lalabas daw from inside the shop. I've never heard my car na ibang tao yung nagpa-park. Ganda pala ng tunog. Yeah, 4-wheel drive system working. So guys, si DJ yung man behind SRS and he's an engineer. Talagang he knows his shit. So, ayan ang pogi. Ideal man.
Hindi naman.
So kasi yung plano ko, kaya ako ginawang makapal yung tires, it's because I wanted to lower it with the same amount na kinapal ng tires from the stock na tire. So that's around 8 to 10 mm.
We're gonna lower it by 8 to 10 mm.
Oh.
Yeah, I think that's super sakto naman for what we're looking for. So the GR Yaris kasi talaga from our experience, mataas talaga yung static ride height niya from factory, obviously because of its World Rally Championship roots. Marami tayong ma-unlock na handling improvements from just simply lowering the car by a bit. So, of course, wag tayo lalagpas, diba? But that's not applicable for this case naman kasi nga, only a mild amount of lowering yung gagawin natin. I feel like magiging sakto lang yun for what Franz is looking for din sa car, which is a mix of daily practicality plus may konting liko pag spirited ride.
Kailangan pogi.
Oo, kailangan.
And function pa rin. Function
Yes.
muna. Function before form. Yan. So, wag kayo guys pupunta kay DJ kung plano niyo lang mag-stance ng kotse. Papatayin kayo ni DJ.
Hindi ko lang tatanggapin.
Oh, hindi yan tatanggapin yun. Hindi pwede yun dito.
So sabihin ko, 1 year yung waiting time ko.
Bye sir. Take care of the car.
Of course.
Guys, tingnan nyo to. May cool ray dito na angas. Naka-coil overs guys. Tapos CF hood. So cool. Cool ray. Look at that.
Carbon Lodi.
Carbon Lodi. Kailangan katok-katokin mo yan. De joke lang, wag.
Actually also has aftermarket bracing sa ilalim. Much to my surprise. Meron for the cool ray.
Ramdam ba yung difference?
Ramdam.
Oh! Interesting. Maganda guys. Kung may cool ray kayo, nako. Pwede nyo i-set up ng ganun. Hanapin nyo lang si DJ.
The very next evening.
And one, let's go guys! Alright! Alright, congratulations! The guys didn't even try! Grabe kayo!
I actually won this sa wedding ni Oric. Shout out to Oric and si Nice. Congrats on getting married. And isa-isa ko pinipitas yung pera sa bouquet na to. Yan. Ito yung gagamitin natin to pay DJ sa SRS. Kasi nilower natin yung car.
48 hours later.
I can already see it from here. It's just in front of me. The car looks so good. Just got back from the test drive. Ako yung nag-drive ng car and honestly, happy ako with what DJ did. Happy ako with the string theory garage na spring kit. It's because first, yung ride niya compared to stock is actually pantay lang. Very similar, if not mas comfy pa ng konting-konti itong string theory garage na springs na to. So babalik ta rin lang ni DJ yung car so that we can see underneath better. May nakasampa kasing L300 dun, so kailangan ko umuwi ng maaga. But before that, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung super cool car ni DJ from SRS. Ayan, oh, Civic EG with KC daylighters. So yan, pinapark na ni DJ. Let's take a look at underneath the car.
As Franz will show you naman in some of the footage, nakuha talaga natin yung, I would say, a really good compromise between function and form. So the fitment is sakto, pero the car really handles well din. So far, we have no rub naman. And our ground clearance is also very healthy. As, again, this is a daily driven car. So basically, yun yung naging targets namin for the tune. Kailangan maganda gumalaw, kailangan pogi, pero kailangan streetable. Very streetable.
Yes.
So, ayun.
So right now, mas mababa ng konting likod. It's because we're parked in a ramp, tapos naka-handbrake. So naturally, the rear suspension is a bit more compressed. But this is a 15mm drop which you can't actually get sa ibang spring kit. Kasi yung mga ibang spring kit parang halos 1-inch drop na ata yung minimum. So if I went with that, it would be a lot lower and it wouldn't be streetable na kasi sasayad na ako everywhere. Pero with this kind of setup, yan, it's a very functional setup.
The camber bolts that Franz provided for me, what brand are those again?
Largus.
Largus, no? We were only able to get like negative 2.3 camber sa harapan, which I feel like is sakto naman for a street setup. And then for the rear, since we installed a lot of arms, sobrang ma-adjust ko talaga geometry sa likod.
May freedom talaga.
Yeah. But for now, I put in negative 2 camber sa rear just to balance out yung camber sa harap. And the toe all around is 0.
Yes.
Kasi nga daily hindi naman natin kailangan muna yung mga toe out. That's for like intense track use naman.
Yes,
For daily
tama.
use, we want to preserve the tires, kaya 0 toe muna tayo.
Yes. Habang andito pa tayo, I think it's a good time to check out yung mga projects na ginagawa ni DJ dito sa Simple Racing Solutions here in JMSI because this guy is the real deal talaga. I'm not kidding. He's been the reason behind some of the time attack guys who have been winning sa full throttle weekend and magaling siya talaga eh.
As you can see, sobrang linis. Grabe ang pogi.
Wow!
Ang job order natin for this car is kind of like Franz. So, street tune lang. Mostly pang runs, highway driving. Right now, we're working on an E39 M5.
Wow, E39 M5 V8 yun, di ba? Mahirap ibaba yung shocks sa likod.
So, as you can see, para ma-access mo yung
Wow!
top mount. So, tanggal lahat.
Oo nga, tanggal lahat.
Tanggal lahat, as you can see. Ang weird, naka-stock neck siya naka-caliper.
Okay So guys, if you wanna have your cars tuned, ito si DJ. Siya yung HR head, marketing head, chief engineer, test driver. Lahat ng department, it's this guy. So, if you guys wanna have your cars tuned, just contact this guy. Yung name ng page niya is Simple Racing Solutions. And I'll be putting the link to his page sa description box below. So you guys can check out all of his other projects. Nakailang cars ka na?
We've done more than 100 na.
Oh,
more than 100
congrats!
na, yeah.
Congrats! Thank you so much to DJ for
No problem. It was a pleasure.
fixing
Thank
up.
you din.
Ano, pleasure ba talaga?
Well, hindi naman.
SRS dito lang sa JMSI.
A few moments later.
It was a 1-hour drive home, so I was able to drive it through different kinds of roads, pati mga lubak. Yung comfort level niya is just like stock, para kang hindi nag-coilovers. The ride is not stiffer than stock, and that's a good thing because of course we want this to be a streetable car, and if it rides worse than stock, then that would have been a bit sad. And then of course si DJ, inayos niya yung alignment ng car. So now when you turn in, it really feels good. The car immediately settles into the corner properly. Masarap na siya i-drive, guys. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Anyway, I'm gonna go clean the car now, so I'll see you guys in the next vlog. You guys take care. Goodbye.